Manufacturers are currently in a total arms race with suction numbers, and it is getting harder to tell what is real and what is just clever marketing. You see a box claiming 22,000 units of suction power, and you naturally assume your floors are going to be spotless after a single pass. But when independent labs actually put these flagship robots to the test, the numbers often tell a completely different story. A recent deep dive into the latest high-end cleaning bot revealed a staggering gap between those bold claims and real-world performance. In many tests, the actual suction force was just a tiny fraction of what the marketing promised, falling well below the average for the entire category. This is a massive concern if your home is full of thick carpets that hide dust and allergens deep in the pile. You might find yourself looking at a surface that seems clean while the grit remains trapped underneath. Then there is the surprising decision to downgrade the hardware. For some reason, the company equipped this premium model with a significantly smaller battery than their previous versions. It is a baffling move for a machine that costs $1,500. If you live in a large house with several rooms to cover, this means the robot is going to be spending a lot more time sitting at its dock, charging up instead of actually cleaning your floors. It is like a luxury car with a tiny fuel tank. The dock itself tries to make up for this by using water heated to nearly boiling temperatures to wash the mopping pads. While that sounds great for keeping things sanitary, many users are finding that the high heat combined with hard water is leaving unsightly bronze streaks across their hardwood. It is the last thing you want to see after making such a massive investment in a cleaning tool. On the brighter side, pet owners are finding a lot to love here. The machine seems to have a special talent for handling fur and long hair without the constant clogs and tangles that plague other models. The navigation system is also top tier, mapping out your living space with incredible speed and dodging obstacles with a level of precision that feels genuinely impressive. The design is slimmer too, which allows it to glide under low-profile furniture where dust usually piles up. However, you have to ask yourself if these specialized perks are worth the trade-offs in raw power and endurance. We are reaching a point where the numbers on the side of the box are starting to feel like fiction. It is a reminder to look past the hype and focus on how these machines actually handle dirt in a real home environment. This model is a fascinating mix of high-tech innovation and some very strange shortcuts. It excels at daily maintenance in homes with mostly hard floors and plenty of pets, but it might leave you wanting more if you need deep carpet cleaning. It is not a bad machine by any means, but it certainly is not the undisputed champion the flashy ads make it out to be. You have to decide if that sleek design and smart mapping justify the high price and the smaller battery. It is a specialized tool rather than a total solution for every household. No machine is perfect, but when the price tag is this high, the expectations should be just as elevated. Weigh the actual performance against the flashy promises before you decide to clear a spot for it in your home.